Full analysis of the Jonathan Kuminga negotiations, the Hoop Collective. The ongoing saga surrounding Jonathan Kuminga and the Golden State Warriors has become one of the most fascinating storylines of the offseason. Once seen as a cornerstone piece of the Warriors' future, Kuminga now finds himself at the center of intense trade rumors, front office discussions, and public speculation. The Hoop Collective recently dove deep into the negotiations, offering insights into how the situation has unfolded and what it means for both sides moving forward. At the heart of the negotiations is a fundamental question. What exactly is Kuminga's value in today's NBA? The Warriors invested in him as a high-upside project, believing his athleticism, defensive potential, and flashes of offensive creation could blossom alongside their championship core. However, 3 years into his career, Kuminga has shown both brilliance and inconsistency. His stretches of dominance on both ends of the floor have been undermined by questions about his role, playing time, and fit within Golden State's system. This tension has fueled the current stalemate between player and team. From the Warriors' perspective, the challenge is balancing their win-now mentality with a need to develop young talent. Golden State remains committed to maximizing Stephen Curry's remaining years, which often means relying on experienced, playoff-tested veterans over raw prospects. Kuminga, meanwhile, has made it clear through his camp that he wants a larger role and more consistent minutes. This conflict of priorities has pushed the two sides toward difficult conversations about his future. Do the Warriors keep him and risk losing him to frustration, or do they trade him now while his value remains high? The Hoop Collective's analysis pointed out that the Warriors are in a delicate financial position as well. With one of the league's highest payrolls, the front office must weigh every roster move carefully. Extending Kuminga with a sizable contract could add to their already massive luxury tax bill, while trading him could open the door for financial flexibility. Yet, dealing him too early could backfire if he becomes a star elsewhere. It's a classic high-risk, high-reward scenario that makes these negotiations so complex. Another key element is how other teams around the league view Kuminga. According to reports, multiple franchises have inquired about his availability, particularly those in need of a young forward who can defend multiple positions and thrive in transition. The market suggests that teams still see Kuminga as a potential all-star if placed in the right environment. That external interest complicates Golden State's decision-making even further. Moving him could bring back valuable assets, but it could also ignite the regret of letting go of a budding star too soon. For Kuminga himself, these negotiations are more than just about money. They represent his desire to carve out an identity in the league and prove that he can be more than just a role player. His frustrations with limited opportunities in Golden State are well documented, and his camp has reportedly been pushing for assurances that his role will expand significantly next season. If the Warriors cannot provide that, a split may become inevitable. The Hoop Collective emphasized that the Warriors' handling of Kuminga will reveal much about their long-term strategy. Are they still committed to bridging the gap between the Curry era and the next generation, or are they doubling down on short-term contention? Kuminga stands as the perfect test case. Keeping him would signal belief in developing youth alongside veterans, while trading him would confirm that the Warriors are prioritizing immediate success at all costs. Ultimately, the Jonathan Kuminga negotiations highlight the difficult balance that contending teams must strike. For the Warriors, the decision is not just about one player. It's about identity, philosophy, and the future of the franchise. For Kuminga, it's about opportunity, growth, and proving his worth on the biggest stage. As the offseason continues, all eyes will remain on how this chess match unfolds, because the outcome could reshape not only Golden State's roster but also Kuminga's career trajectory for years to come.